One Gabonese man don't marry 4 wives at the same time. And this man, we gotta say in name na Mesmin Abesolo. Now this kind of man, and they perform this kind of wonders. And we gotta say this man don't get his first wife before he can decide say he won't add extra 4 women on top of the matter. Hey! And this kind of no be small celebration. He decide say this celebration we want to he go do all the 4 of them on the same day. What you can even surprise me now in first wife. This woman dey there, she no even shake body. In fact, now she grant this occasion. My people no be smart, you know, make na use na eye. Watch for herself.
Mesdames et messieurs, je voudrais signaler ici, avant de déclarer ce mariage pour votre gouverne, que monsieur Mesmin Abesolo, avant ce mariage, avait déjà contracté un mariage avec sa première épouse dans le cadre de la polygamie que je voudrais qu'on applaudisse très fort. C'était la maman. Madame Abesolo, c'est pas je suis garçon. Oh, je suis Nima. Voilà.
Hey! This man is King Solomon's spiritual son. In fact, you are doing well. Wife manager. Hey! But people can't they feel for this man wife. Say, how this kind of wife won't they take this thing and they can't do interview for this woman? Say, woman, you will be say your husband don't marry 4 extra. How you want to take him? If not hear what this woman talk. She talk say na love her. Say anything where the man want to, in fact, she go follow the man do. Say as far as say this man, they very happy. In fact, she go follow this man with full support. I don't know say this kind of love still there, but my people beg, make na follow me watch this interview.
Alors, chers amis de GabonActu.com, nous avons déniché la première épouse de M. Abesolo. Madame, bonjour.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Vous vous présentez?
Je me présente Madame Abesolo Christelle.
Racontez-nous comment vous avez accueilli vos jeunes sœurs.
C'est de l'amour qui vient du fond de mon cœur. C'est de l'amour que j'ai éprouvé envers mon mari qui a fait en sorte que j'accueille les autres avec amour, car Dieu nous demande d'aimer les uns les autres.
C'était difficile là au début, hein?
Pas vraiment.
Mais comment vous vivez à la maison alors?
On vit comme des sœurs. On vit comme des sœurs.
Vous êtes quand même des rivales.
Nous sommes des rivales, mais on vit comme des sœurs. Le mot rivalité n'a jamais vécu chez nous. Ça n'a jamais existé autant pour moi chez nous.
Vous voulez dire qu'il s'est partagé, M. Abesolo?
Bien sûr.
Par exemple, pour le repas, comment vous faites?
On mange ensemble. Si c'est mon tour de préparer aujourd'hui, tout le monde mange ensemble. On mange à table ensemble, les enfants, tous les enfants mangent ensemble.
Et le mari a beaucoup d'argent pour ça? C'est ça que la question se demande. Est-ce qu'il est un homme riche ou un homme farfelu?
Il n'est pas riche, il vit selon, avec le peu de moyens qu'il a. C'est un tradit praticien, il soigne les gens avec amour. Il n'exige pas que la personne puisse venir se faire traiter avec argent. Si tu as l'argent...
Things they happen, hey, and they see all this kind of practice in our field. But you know, say for this our own show, we sabi dig well inside matter. Before something go come as itself, we don't make our research well before we carry on come. Now there we notice say this Mr. Mesmin, we gotta say this man na juju man, make a not to talk and loud. This man na babalawo na in they do. And I see in fact this man get group. And na him be the oga kpata na him be the leader for this group. And you see all these 4 wives who ain't carry same marry as wives. Then this woman come there say they won't come do spiritual deliverance. I know no be na juju this man use take conny them. Before we go see, then these people don't turn to a wifey. These people don't start to dey love up with this man. And I got this and Allah they like, but make a show on a video of where this man for initiate one of his wife.
connaissez, vous comprenez, oui? Oui. Le verbe mystique prime sur le verbe humain, dites oui à cela.
Oui.
Bonsoir, son excellence, Saint-Père Osinginyama. Père, pardonnez-moi pour mes péchés. Bonsoir, son excellence, Saint-Père Osinginyama.
Bonsoir.
Père apéritif.
On a don't see Abi. How person go come meet you say, I come for spiritual problem. Help me solve am. Before we go see now, the person you don't dey marry the person. Now they are not supposed to say something there for this matter. This thing no be ordinary thing. And for women, when we say on our leg, no, they stay one place. Show. You don't carry your leg, enter this babalawo house. Tomorrow you don't enter another one. I hope so on they see. Make una dey very, very careful. Especially the women say, na go one place, they go carry things, give una say chop, drink. Hey, things they happen, no, na so na they do. Small, na go begin they love the babalawo. Before we go see na, una go don they do foursome with the man. Because not be on a clear eye, on a they use they do all this kind of thing. And I go think in a protection, the man giving us, okay, I give you this thing, chop and it go protect you from evil spirit. The thing know they protect you from anything, no. Now make you they love and they go, now so these kind of things they be. So best advice, stay for one place. Now there, this man will do this kind of thing, Mr. Mesmin. People come the reason and say, on a show say this kind of thing, a good thing this man do. Now there they grant this man interview. Now there this man talk, say, in fact, in they lead by example, say this kind of thing when they do, it won't make people even be like him because this thing when do. Now better my people beg, make na follow me watch this one.
Félicitations, monsieur le marié. Un dernier conseil pour ceux qui pensent que vous êtes plutôt un macho.
Ce que je voudrais dire aux hommes, c'est de valoriser la nature. Et valoriser la nature, c'est faire de la nature ce que veut la nature. Comme vous me voyez faire, épouser mes 4 épouses, c'est ce que veut la nature. Je vous remercie.
Hey, I don't hear another one today. This man talks, in fact, marrying plenty now to appreciate nature. And in fact, now to even bless God's creation on the cities, on the see what person they talk. But I beg men when they watch this kind of what you on a buy this man idea. The advice when given on a like, and I know say we myself on a good boy. But what you wanna think about this matter? My people, I hear this one as make a bring and come, making a service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.